Ladies and gentlemen, bandaholics from around the world, it's finally time. Tim Apple and the squad over at Apple HQ have finally released a fresh new batch of bands. However, many Apple Watch owners, myself included, were a little let down by this release. Many band lovers thought this release was a little lackluster, mainly due to the fact that there were absolutely no new Ultra bands released. Like, wait up a second, I thought Apple liked money. My credit card was ready to cry, but it seems many of our beloved styles did not receive a refresh. As a matter of fact, the Sport Loops, Nike Sport Bands, Nike Sport Loops, Leather Links, and the aforementioned Ultra Bands all remain the same with no updates. Kind of a bummer, but all hope is not lost here. We still got some new bands and I am very appreciative. It was about time. It seems Apple is making it customary to skip out on the summer and winter releases, which only builds more anticipation for new bands within the Apple Watch band community. In any case, today I got a very exciting video for you all. Today we're going to take a look at one of Apple's most popular style of bands. I'm talking about the braided solo bands. These Apple Watch straps are priced at a higher premium, coming in at $99 a pop. And for the spring 2023 season, we got 3 brand new and exciting colors to freshen up your Apple Watch setup. Most of you guys are used to my band reviews, but in case you're new here, I want to welcome you into this awesome community of Apple Watch band lovers. My good friend Mike and I host a Discord server called Club 9 and is dedicated to all things Apple Watch. Click the link in the video description if you want to be a part of this, and make sure to stick around until the end of the video, as of course there is always a giveaway that is accompanied by every single band release. That's just the way we do it over here on TheJuan&Only. One last thing, it's been a while since I've done a live stream, so there will be a hidden band scattered somewhere throughout this video. If you spot it, drop a timestamp down below and you will have an entry for my live stream giveaway, in which I'll pull 2 random names live for even more opportunities to win new bands. As you can probably tell, I absolutely enjoy spreading the love and it is my way of giving back to this wonderful community. Alright, with all of the introductions out of the way, I think we're ready, so without further ado, let's get the show on the road. Alright, ladies and gents, so we're not going to waste much time, we're going to get right into the action. For the spring 2023 braided solo release, we feature 3 brand new and interesting colors, as I mentioned before. Let's start off with Purple Fog. Purple Fog is an extremely light and gentle lavender color that portrays a very calming aura. The band demonstrates some attributes of pastel-like colors, given that the band has its vibrancy and saturation turned down about 4 notches in order to produce a relaxing light colored band that's super easy on the eyes. Best yet, it pairs up extremely well with many different casing colors and materials, particularly the lighter casing colors such as the silver stainless steel and Starlight, but also pairs up well with Midnight and the blue aluminum watch, since its placement on the color wheel is right next to blue, and hence is a complementing setup that is just super mesmerizing, especially when outdoors. Outdoors is where this band's serenity really shines and is a color that you can't really go wrong with. The band is subtle, the light lavender color is perfect for the spring season, and it suits band lovers on both opposite ends of the spectrum. This band isn't dark, but it's not ultra bouncy either, providing a really nice middle ground. Purple Fog is one of those bands you simply cannot hate on. It's a really versatile band and one that I'm sure many other Apple Watch owners will enjoy thoroughly. This one gets a solid 8.2 out of 10 in my book. Up next is the darker release of this batch, and it's called Olive. I've always said, whenever Apple releases 3 bands within a particular style, typically they follow a very simple formula. They have a really bright band, a darker, more low-key band, and then a band right in the middle that typically suits the masses. Olive is the darker band of this batch. Olive isn't a super dark band per se, but it definitely is a lot more muted and is a standout color for all those bandaholics that enjoy the darker colored bands. You see, not everyone likes the flashy and vibrant bands that scream for attention, and this olive braided solo is the perfect option for any lover of dark green bands with enough character that makes it stand out. Olive looks exactly like its name implies. The color is nearly identical to the color of an actual olive minus the red part. Honestly, I surprisingly really dig this band. It's very low key and pairs up well with most band combinations, but it's not as versatile as Purple Fog. I also like the fact that the green here appears to become darker when indoors and where lighting isn't as strong. It's a shame Apple pulled the plug on the green aluminum watch, otherwise this would make a flawless pairing with a dark green aluminum Apple Watch. In any case, the band isn't going to turn many heads given its more low-key nature, but you can't deny the band is still really good to look at. I'm going to give this one a passing grade of a 7.4 out of 10. A good band that sadly I feel won't be as memorable as our next color. That's right, I saved the best for last. Boys and girls, our last new color for the Braided Solo line is bright orange. All over Twitter and YouTube, I've read comments and it seems this band is the standout band of this entire spring release. I do have to say I'm biased here because I absolutely dig the bright and bouncy energetic colors, and this one here is right up my alley. With summer and warmer temperatures right around the corner, this is the perfect band to feature for a spring release. Going to the beach this summer with the bros? Don't forget to slap on bright orange to liven up your fit. Going out for a run with your dog? Throw on bright orange with literally any watch color or casing to bring some attention to your wrist, fill you with energy, and have people do a double take. What I love is that the orange here is bright, but it's not overbearing, with much of its saturation sucked out of it that culminates into a bright and energetic band without blinding everyone around you. Clearly, this band shines most while outdoors. When the sun's rays hit it just right, it seems to just glow. But even indoors, it's hard to miss it on the wrist. Who knows, some people might crack their necks to see what band you have on because it's just that eye-catching. I'm sure many will agree with me when I say that this is probably everyone's favorite from the new Braided Solos, and it's why I give it an A. Actually, scratch that. It gets an A+ in my books, coming in at a hot 9.6 out of 10. I cannot wait to rock this with my Ultra this spring and summer. And there you have it, y'all. Those were the 3 brand new colors for the Braided Solo style of bands. What I love so much about this community is how receptive people are to other people's opinions. For example, while some band lovers like myself love bright bands like bright orange, others detest these kinds of colors, and that's okay. It's the reason why there are endless combinations you can make, especially now that this community is growing larger and larger with every passing release. So guys, before I end this review, I wanted to remind you all of the giveaway rules. On April 9th, 2023, I will be hosting a live stream right here on YouTube declaring the giveaway winners, and really, there's 2 giveaways in one. Let me explain. For the standard giveaway, that way everyone has an equal chance of participating, all you have to do is 3 simple steps. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel with bell notifications. This ensures you never miss out on any of my band reviews, and don't forget, we still have all the other spring 2023 bands to look at. Number 2, follow me over on my socials as I'm starting to post a lot more short content, including helpful tips and tricks reels that could help you in utilizing your tech to its fullest potential. You never know what you're missing out on, and there are plenty of tricks and tips that you may have never known about. And finally, for the comment question of the day, for the last step, simply drop a comment down below letting me know what your most recent tech purchase was. Mine was Google's Nest Wi-Fi Pro in a 2-pack, which I will be making a review after I review all of the spring bands, so keep an eye out for that one. And don't forget for the hidden band giveaway. The first 2 subscribers to spot the band and comment the correct timestamp will gain an entry for the live drawing. The best way to get in on the hidden band entry is by ringing that bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload a video. Good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway, and also drop your thoughts on this batch down below. Which is your favorite of the 3 and why? In any case, guys, I still have some more work to do to bring you all the other spring bands, so I'm clocking out for now. Don't forget to stay hydrated, and I cannot wait to catch you all in my next video.